have we got some magical news for you. The holiday season is right around the corner, and now is a fantastic time to become a Chalk Couture designer. This October, our standard starter kit comes with a Chalkmade kit for your very own DIY holiday advent calendar. That's a bonus of $39.99 US or $51.49 Canadian in retail, absolutely free. The Chalkmade Christmas Countdown Kit includes a transfer, 3 Chalkology paste singles, a house box frame, and a cute magnetic wreath. Create it and then show it off to customers who will want their very own. Now with this bonus, your standard starter kit features nearly $290 US and over $400 Canadian in specially selected seasonal products and business supplies, plus the opportunity to launch your very own creative career. You'll be all set. All of this for just $99 US or $127 Canadian plus tax and shipping. You know, becoming a designer might just be the key to making all of your creative dreams come true. And this free advent calendar will be a fun added bonus. Join today by visiting your independent designer's website or at chalkcouture.com.